Hey, what's up? It's your boy Jonathan Belcher here. I gotta be kinda low because I'm in the library right now. But I'm interested in those of you who are college students who want to make money online, right? Those of you who want to earn at least $100 to $200 per day working as your own boss, right? And the reason why I recommend learning how to make money online is because I have a lot of college friends who, they have their degree, or they've went to school for 4 years, or they've went to school for 2 years, and they still don't have a job that they want, or they're still not making the money that they want at their 9 to 5 job. So a lot of them have to go into things that they never studied for to make more money, to make ends meet. And that could be frustrating. And I chose to do this video in the library today because I want you to know that it's still about education. It's still about knowledge. To grow your mindset, to grow your business, you still gotta be educated in any field that you decide to get started in. So I came to the library where they have a lot of books and stuff like that because I'm a college dropout myself, and I happen to be able to quit my job from making money online. Some of you know my story already. Some of you know what I've been through. I used to struggle as a security guard. I used to struggle with the bills. I used to struggle to make ends meet, and I just got sick and tired of that, right? I got sick and tired of being in a situation where I didn't have the money that I wanted to make. So then I chose to do something different with my life. I chose to learn how to make money online. Then once I started to make my own money online, I started teaching, coaching, and mentoring other people who were interested in, becoming financially free as well. So the good thing about these opportunities online, and I'm going to recommend an opportunity to those of you who don't have an opportunity to make money online. But the good thing about this business is, just got to make sure, because people over here, got to make sure I'm kind of quiet. But the good thing about this business is you have the ability to earn passive income. You know what I'm saying? And with passive income, what you're able to do is you're basically able to make money while you're at college, while you're in class, while you're in your dorm room studying. While you're out on campus, you can still make money. So, with those things being said, I think it's a great opportunity. Somebody just walked by, just said what's up to me. A cool guy. He wasn't trying to make me cut off the video. But yeah, so as far as the opportunity I'm talking about, where you can earn at least $100 to $200 per day, it's called email processing system, right? Email processing system. And what I love about that business is you have an opportunity once you get started, and also you get training the minute you get started, right? You get marketing training, you get sales training that teaches you how to generate traffic and leads online, right? Traffic, leads, and sales, because that's how you make money online. First, you got to do stuff that generates traffic. Then from that traffic, you're going to be able to convert that traffic into leads. And then from those leads, those are people who are interested in what you have to offer. You can then make sales, right? So traffic, first you get traffic, then you get leads, then you get sales, and that's how you start to make money in your sleep. That's how you start to make money as a college student. Also, right, the title of this video is how to earn $100 to $200 per day working for yourself. So the reason why that's easy to do not easy, it takes hard work to succeed in anything, but the reason why it's reasonable for you to do that in a short period of time is because it costs a $100 investment to get started in an email processing system. And that investment covers 3 training courses, right? Those 3 training courses are going to teach you sales and marketing, how to do sales and marketing online. So it's kind of like you getting your own degree under your belt with business, sales, and marketing. So I mean, is that a bad thing to learn how to get sales and learn how to market? It's not a bad thing. So it's a one-time fee though, a one-time fee of $100. So what that means is once you invest the one-time fee of $100, it's not like a monthly bill that you have to keep on paying over and over and over again. Once you invest $100 one time, that's it, you're done. You get access to the 3 training courses on sales and marketing, and you can earn the $100 commissions over and over and over and over again for each and every person that you help get started within the email processing system. What the fuck is this about? I got some crazy DVDs up in here. Librarian. She just came in and rudely interrupted my fucking video. I think she's following me. I'm being very, very quiet, so I highly doubt she really hears me. You're not really supposed to talk in the library, but I want to do this video to send a message that books are the way to your success. Books are the way to your financial freedom. Hold on 1 second. So yeah, like I was saying, it's $100 one-time fee to get started in. She's definitely following me. I know she is. Because all librarians know exactly what they're looking for. Hold on 1 second. I got a lot of DVDs in here as well. Good. So yeah, let me finish up really quick and stop bullshitting in this library before I get kicked out. But yeah, so it's a one-time fee, $100. You get access to 3 training courses and an email processing system, and you can make $100 commissions over and over and over again. And every time you get a sale, you get paid instantly to your bank account. Instant payments, 100% commissions. And you can learn more about the business opportunity in the description of this video. Please like, share, and comment on this video, because I don't know, you may have a college friend or just a stay-at-home mom who may be interested in this opportunity. I'm just here to share this opportunity with those of you who may need something that you can do to change your life, change your finances. I would say a lot more in this video, because I like talking a lot, but I don't talk the way I would like to. But I shouldn't have probably came here because it's very quiet. But I thought I could find a corner. Like, I'm very far from everybody else, so I didn't think that anybody would come in this section. But yeah, also making money online. You want to read books, right? Even after I dropped out of college, I still self-educate. I still read books every single day just to gain my knowledge. But you can be self-educated. You don't have to only go through formal education, Self-education, there's a saying, right? Formal education will make you a living, but self-education is going to make you a fortune, right? Self-education is going to make you a fortune. And once you get started in business like email processing system, you have the ability to make money over and over again. There's no limit to your income, so you get started. Once you sign up by going in the description below, what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you over your 3 training courses. Those training courses are going to teach you step by step how to set up the business, how to start promoting online, right? So you're going to promote using websites like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, email marketing, YouTube videos if you want to do that, blogging. These are different strategies and ways to gain traffic once you become a member. So without any further ado, check out the link in the description. I hope I'm not forgetting anything. Some people are starting to come in. You see some kids just came in here. But yeah, this is so funny. You gotta love. But yeah, so books are the key to success. Books are the key to your financial freedom. Even if you don't have a degree, you can still become successful in life. Even if you don't have I'm a college dropout and I managed to quit my job, making money online. So I know it's possible for you as well. And as well, once you join my team, I'm going to help you step by step. I'm going to teach you step by step how to make your first sale, how to make your first commission. I got people joining me, and within the first few days, they're making their money right back. And remember, it's no monthly fees. So it's not like it becomes a bill that's a burden to you. You pay the investment one time, the $100 investment one time, and you're in position to start making money. So imagine being in your dorm room studying and seeing commissions just come into your bank account. Imagine being in class and just checking your phone and seeing emails that you made new sales. I mean, is that a bad thing? No, that's beautiful. That's a beautiful thing, because that's what allows you financial freedom, the ability to make passive income no matter what you're doing. So this is Jonathan Belcher. Check out the link in the description. Please subscribe to my channel. For those of you who aren't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. And you can even do some research on email processing system as well if you want. When you do your research on YouTube, you're gonna see a video of mine on the first page for the keyword email processing system, right? Email processing system. That's the opportunity that my team and I are becoming free with. That's the opportunity that's changing our lives. So I will see you on the team. Peace.